Welcome to my online blended learning classroom. My course is multiplication and division. As you can see, this is the main page where all of the materials are found for the class section. If you click here, all the information about me is located. I've updated and have a Meet Miss Washington. It says, welcome to our 5th grade classroom. I'm Miss Washington and I will be your teacher this year. I've been teaching and working in education for 15 years. I love to read and I love to make learning fun. I cannot wait to see what your interests are. I'm looking forward to an amazing year. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help you or your student be more successful this year. Miss Washington. And I've left my email, contact information, as well as my Twitter. So then when I go back, I have everything broke down into folders. Teacher information, getting started, which is where the students will need to go to the course in order to start first. General information folder, our class discussion board, resources for students to use, assessments, lessons and activities, the goal setting activity, as well as the group assignment. So I'm going to go back up here to the Getting Started tab. And there's an introduction activity that I have included. And I want the students to post to the discussion board. So they're going to visit the class discussion board and they're going to communicate back and forth with each other, telling me name, favorite food, least favorite subject in school, and how they feel they can change the world, and also what they would like to be when they grow up. So that is their introduction activity. The course syllabus is located under general information and has our classroom policies. Respecting others, using kind words, paying attention, working hard. We make mistakes, we give praise, we try our best, and we love to learn. And then also the course syllabus is located, which has all of the lessons broke down, has the activities, information, standards, all assignments and due dates, and also their point values. So all of that is located in the information folder. This is the class discussion board. There's an introduction activity where the students have to introduce, which is the first activity that I just showed you. There's a section for questions and answers. Our lesson 1 activity, the students are going to post the EduCreations here that they have to create, showing 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. And then a lesson 2 activity, they're taking a screenshot of a worksheet and posting it to the discussion board, and then also making comments on other students. All of the resources are here. These are some links to videos that students can use to help with multiplication, running through the algorithm, as well as through division, and also a couple other videos that show how to multiply and divide decimals as well as whole numbers. When I go back to my section, through the resources, I'm going to show you the assessments that I have. I have the pre-assessment and the post-assessment. Both are 10 questions. Pre-assessment is all multiple choice, and then the post-assessment is a mixture of multiple choice, short answer, some fill in the blank. The post-assessment will be taken once the students have finished through the course. Pre-assessment will be before. These are the 4 activities and lessons. Lesson 1 is the standard algorithm for multiplication. Lesson 2, the division of whole numbers. Lesson 3, multiplying decimals. And lesson 4 is dividing decimals. And each lesson is built in with directions for each, so that there's a clear set of directions to show students what needs to be done. And then all the lessons have links to either online videos, songs, games, or activities that they will be completing. The goal setting is here. And there's a goal setting activity. And there's a link for the document I'll click on that. And this is what students are going to fill out once they have completed the pre-assessment. So once they see what they know about multiplication and division, they're going to complete the unit goal. And so it's just a simple question of, based on the pretest, they're going to tell me what they've mastered. They're going to tell me what they would like to improve and learn more about, and then they're going to tell me how they plan to reach their goal, giving me at least 4 ways that they feel they can reach their goal. So I think this is something that's positive for the students to use to help them find out where they are and where they would like to be. And then the last piece of it is the group activity. And the group assignment that I have assigned for the students, they're going to complete throughout the unit, and they're going to work with their group to create a PowerPoint modeling the multiplication and division of whole numbers and decimals. So I told them that they need to have graphics, videos, external links, and at least one game in their PowerPoint. Told them to be creative, feel free to use any Web.0 tools that we've used in class. And then I've also included a video PowerPoint from YouTube of a tutorial to show students how to create a PowerPoint in case they are not familiar with creating a PowerPoint. So I have included that so that the students can watch. I'll click on the link so you can see the video comes up. It's one that's pretty kid friendly, can't get past the ads. But it's a 4-minute video showing students how to use PowerPoint. So that's the video. And that is my online blended learning classroom. Everything that students need to know is here. If there's any questions, there's contact information where the students can contact me. I've got resources, assessments, activities, goal setting, our group assignment, and I can't wait to get started with this multiplication and division unit. Thank you for watching.